This video is going to show the first version of our newest feature, which is known as Rollup. Managers spend so much time compiling reports and summaries for people that need them. By connecting your tools to Dotted and walking through our setup process, you can quickly create accurate project summaries that automatically update on your preferred cadence and hopefully save you a little bit of time. First, we're going to click on the blueprint that says Build a status slide that updates itself. We're going to name the project Project Alpha Status Slide, continue onward. And here we are in the blueprint setup. You can connect up to 10 sources that the blueprint can pull from in order to create your status update. First, I'm going to connect Jira, and I'm already logged into my browser, so connecting this as an integration is going to be really easy. And then for targeting instructions, we're going to say, use all work items with label Project Alpha. I want to check the last 14 days and then add this as the first source. For my next source, I want to pull from Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to connect. That'll take a quick moment to connect. And then once we're in, I'm going to say, check the internal EAP operations chat for updates and sentiment about Project Alpha. And I'm also going to look in the last 14 days. And I want this slide to be recreated on a weekly basis. Finish adding that, make sure we're all good to go here. Once we're finished adding our sources, we can complete the setup and then wait for the slide to be created. So here we finished loading. Here you can see what the status slide looks like. It's always going to come out in this layout. You can see the executive summary here that outlines what the key tasks are, what the progress is, laying out some risks and some dependencies that were mentioned in chat. And then the task progress by status. This is pulling directly from Jira, so I can see the status of the most crucial tickets. And then leadership asks or next steps, things that I should have top of mind as I'm moving forward into the week. This is going to update every week based on Jira and based on the conversations in that specific channel. If I click on Files here, it'll take me to my project view where I can see the status slide template that was used to create this. If I wanted the status slide to be created using a different format, I can go ahead and upload a different template and then instruct the status slide to use the other template instead of this one.